PAAL AI increased about 170% in 1 week. PAAL is one of the most promising crypto AI coins in the whole space. But how high is the potential of PAAL AI? In this video I will talk about PAAL and share my price prediction with long and short term analysis. And we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. First of all, PAAL is on place 230 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $260 million. The coin is existent since 2023 and we saw the all-time high a few days ago. PAAL's price increased about 160% in 1 week. But can we continue this bullish momentum to the upside, or do we see lower prices again? So I think PAAL AI is a great project with a very nice potential for the future. And the AI space is one of the best sectors in the whole crypto space. And the market cap of PAAL is just $260 million. So we have a lot of potential to the upside. And the circulating supply is about 80%, which is a really good sign. And I think for the long term we will see much higher prices for PAAL. If we would compare the market cap of PAAL to VeChain right now, we would have a potential of 14x. And a price target of $4.89, but I think the potential of PAAL is even higher. If we compare PAAL to the market cap of VeChain at the all-time high, we would have a potential of 78x and a price target of $26. And I think the comparison makes sense because VeChain was one of the best performing altcoins in 2021. And if the bullish trend of the total crypto market cap continues to the upside, then the chances high that we could reach the last all-time high. And if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we see even higher prices is very high. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chances high that we could see a much higher total crypto market cap and just a small percentage goes into PAAL, the chances high that we could reach these potential targets. So I think a potential price target for the bull run of $26 is realistic. Of course, it's always difficult to say exact prices, but I think PAAL has a great potential to the upside. So from the prices right now to a price target of $26, we would have a potential of $7,700. And I think this would be an amazing deal for PAAL. But again, guys, this is just an orientation from the prices right now. And I don't want you to FOMO in altcoins, but I think the AI coins will be one of the best performing altcoins for the next bull run. But of course, it's always important to have a strict risk management and don't put your money into one coin. And if you want to trade PAAL, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies. And if you use my link, you get up to $5,150 bonus. You will find a link in the description. So we look for potential long-term price targets and now we are looking for buy zones for PAAL. And as you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend. And I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices if we are beating this high. Then I think the chances high that we could see much higher prices for the next time. But if we are seeing lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because as we broke this last high here to the upside, we then saw the strong bullish momentum. And here we saw a small consolidation before this pump. So the chance if we come back into this zone that we then continue the bullish trend is very high. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is a great potential long area for PAAL. But we don't know if we are reaching this potential zone. Because as you can see, we saw this move from this zone into new highs. And as you can see, we came back into this zone. We directly saw this move to the upside. We also broke this last highs here to the upside. So the chance is there that we can see even higher prices just after retesting this zone. But if we see another test of this zone and see a bullish reaction right here, then I think this is a really good zone to get into a potential long trade for PAAL. And I also mentioned this zone in my Telegram group. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like PAAL, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, I think these are two great areas to take potential long trades from. So all in all guys, I think PAAL is a great project with a very nice potential. Just if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we have a lot of potential to the upside. We have a great circulating supply. It's a new promising AI coin in the best sector of the whole crypto space. And if we would compare PAAL to the all-time high of VeChain, we would have a potential of 78x. And I think this would be an amazing deal for PAAL. Of course, again, guys, these are just orientations from the prices right now, but I think there's a potential price target for the top of the bull run. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.